He told that the struggle is for the existence of Kisans. I beg to differ with him. Practically, they are fighting for the food security of the entire country. And they are also fighting for the energy security of the entire Indian people. Their demand for against electricity amendment bill, if that bill is through act, then electricity will be the out of affordability of the most of the common people of the country. So, Kisan's existence, yes, that is at stake. But more than that, the country's food security and country's energy security will be at stake, and many things will be at stake. If this battle, so we have to win, and so the working class has got a very major responsibility of, as we have decided CI2, that to open a second front with our own demands and also exerting solidarity with the Kisan struggle. Then for a alternate change in the political coordination, that should be. Without that, this problem cannot be tangibly solved. So we hope that definitely the kind of determination and from this struggle also trade union movement is drawing a lot of energy. ऊर्जा मिल रहा है ट्रेड यूनियन वर्किंग क्लास movement का ये आंदोलन से।
प्रैक्टिकली 7 साल में ये पहला बार ये गवर्नमेंट को धक्का जो दिया है ये मूवमेंट ही दिया है।
So ये बड़ा ऊर्जा मिल रहा है। So that is important for us. Thank you very much.
Working class as a whole, we are fighting to build up a workers' peasants' unity in the struggle in coming days. And you know, this is one of the largest Kisan struggle in the history of India. And it is all India movement. It is most united movement. It is most peaceful movement. And we are fighting for our existence. It is not just ordinary movement. This movement is challenging the existence of the farmers, these 3 acts. So because of that, farmers all over India, they are continuously fighting almost 2 months. There is 0-degree temperature, water, and all sorts of difficulties. 130 comrades already died. In this situation, this government is the most inhuman, most barbaric, most anti-farmer governments in the history of India, Narendra Modi. And this government, they are not taking any steps. No humanity is there. It is human feeling also does not work, that humans are suffering. And he has not come forward to solve our problem. So our movement is going on, and the situation is like that. It may go for some more time. Still we are not seeing any light in the end of the tunnel. But Kisans are very firm. They are saying we will not go. At least 6 months we will sit there. This is the determination of the farmers. So on the basis of the farmers' determination, we are continuing the movement. And with your support and solidarity, we hope the struggle will march forward and we shall win. With these words, thank you.